Hello friends, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Still on logarithm, I'll be looking at these two questions. The first one is differentiation, the second one is logarithmic equation. So for me to solve this, I'm going to equate this expression to y. That is, y is equal to log 4x exponent 3 minus 2x. Then I'm going to differentiate y with respect to x, that is this. But before that, I'm going to equate 4x raised to the power of 3 minus 2x to u. That is 4x raised to the power of 3 minus 2x. Then I'll now have y as log u. For me to differentiate, because I'm going to apply composite rule. Now differentiating u with respect to x, that is going to be du all over dx will be equal to differentiating du with respect to x. So I'm going to multiply 4 by 3 using formula for differentiation. Because this is formula for differentiation. N ax raised to the power of n minus 1. This is the formula for differentiation. So where n is the power of the given variable x. X is the variable here. So 3 is the power, is the value of n. So an a is the quotient of x, which is 4. So I'm going to use this to differentiate this expression and this term and also this term. So doing that is going to be 4 times 3, which is 12. I'm going to go straight. 4 times 3 is 12. X raised to the power of 3 minus 1 is 2 minus. I will do the same here and I get 2. So this is du over dx. So I'm going to differentiate dy with respect to u. This is log u. And remember that log u is the same thing as ln u. This is just natural logarithm. It's the same with this. So differentiating ln u or log u will be, that is dy over du. That's going to be 1 over u, because when you differentiate log u or ln u, that's going to be 1 over u. Now I'm using composite rule. Remember that dy over dx is the same thing as du over dx multiplied by dy over du. So it's true because du can cancel out du here. You have dy over dx. So if this is the composite rule, so I'm going to multiply. Remember we got du over dx as 12 exponent x minus 2. So I'm going to write 12x exponent 2 minus 2 divided by, times by, this is du over dx times by dy over du, which is 1 over u. And remember that u is actually 4x raised to the power of 3 minus 2x. So I'm going to have dy over dx is going to be 12x raised to the power of 2 minus 2 divided by u. The value of u is 4x raised to the power of 3 minus 2x. This is the answer. Then the second question is solve the equation log 5 exponent 10x plus 5 is equal to 2 plus log 5 exponent x minus 7. So for me to solve this equation, I'm going to write log 5 exponent 10x plus 5 is equal to, remember that this is 2, is the same thing as 2 log 5, 5. I'm introducing another log in base 5 because I know that log of each one base is 1. 1 times 2 will still give me 2. So the goal is just to make all the number to be in log 5. So plus log 5 exponent x minus 7. So what I need to do again here is to write log 5 exponent 10x plus 5 is equal to, then I'll apply power law of logarithm here. This 2 here is going to go up to be the exponent of this 5. So that becomes log 5, 5, 2 plus log 5x minus 7. And 5 raised to the power of 2 we know is 25. So this is 10x plus 5 is equal to log 5 raised to the power of 25 plus log 5 raised to the power of x minus 7. So the next thing is, because of this plus, I'm going to apply law of addition or multiplication. So this is going to be log 5. And remember there is a common base which is 5. So I'm going to write 10x plus 5 is equal to, I'll pick one, log 5, then multiply the powers, that is the law. This is going to be 25 times x minus 7. So now I'm going to clear brackets there. So I'll write log 5 exponent 10x plus 5 is equal to, so clearing brackets here is going to be log 5 exponent 25x, because 25 times x is 25, x minus 25 times 7 is 175. 175. You can see this log, we cancel out this log because they have the same base and there is a equal sign here. So I will now pick the exponent, equate the exponent, okay, and that is exactly a linear equation. So this is 10x plus 5 is equal to 25x minus 175. So what do I need to do again? Since I have linear equation, I'll collect like terms. I have 10x here, and this is 25x. They are like terms. So I'm going to write 25. This is 5 and 1 minus 175 are like terms. So 175 is going to cross over equal sign to become plus 175 is equal to, then 25x is still here. I'm going to write 25x. Then 10x is going to cross over to meet it and become minus 10x. So this is the same thing as 5 plus 175 is 180 is equal to 25x minus 10x. That's going to give me 15x. So for me to get the value of x, I will divide across with 15. That is going to be 180 divided by 15, that will give me 12. So the value of x here is 12. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to make a comment. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more.